The Sweet Sound of You by Rosariums, read by Karika. Summary: nothing makes Bomb happier than being safe and warm in Coon's arms. It's been an exhausting day for everyone, so when Coon sleepily goes right to their shared room, Bomb recuses himself from the conversation he's in on the spot and follows right after him. "Hey, Bomb," Coon says, rubbing his eyes. It takes a lot for Coon to be this tired. Usually he can last on energy drinks, spite, and maybe an hour of rest for a decent while. "You tired too?" "Yeah, I thought I'd come to bed with you." Bomb smiles. "No keeping me up tonight," Coon quips, rummaging in his lighthouse for his sleepwear. He pulls out a t-shirt and a pair of shorts and begins to undo his button-down. Bomb tosses away his hair tie and stretches. Coon changes and flops onto their bed, wincing at the squeak. "Ugh, cheap. Next floor we get something better." It was all they had. Bomb tugs his own sleepwear on and scoots in next to Coon, tucking himself right under his chin. Coon pulls him in fondly and kisses his head, then wraps the blankets around them. "This is the only way I get blankets now." "I'm not that much of a thief," Coon complains with a laugh. "You sure?" "Mean." Coon pinches his cheek fondly. "Now I'll do it on purpose." "No." Coon laughs again and starts to play with Bomb's curls and scratch a little at his scalp. And maybe it's just because Bomb's so tired and the scratching and playing with his hair feels so good, but he starts making the smallest little rumble deep in his throat. Coon pauses and the noise dies. "What was that?" Bomb sounds embarrassed, which is rare. "I haven't done that in a while. Don't worry about it. I won't do it again." He'd thought he had lost the ability to purr like that, if he's being honest. Rachel had told him no, humans don't make animal sounds, and he had stopped and focused on real language. "You can purr?" Coon blinks in surprise. "And you never told me." "I thought I couldn't anymore. I used to do it a lot, but I stopped making noises." "If I keep scratching your scalp and holding you, are you going to do it again?" Coon sounds eager, almost like a child, and Bomb thinks, that's right. Coon loves animals, especially cats. "I might. I purr when I'm happy, so..." Coon resumes playing with his hair and before long is blessed with Bomb's sleepy purrs, quiet at first. They grow louder and louder and Coon can't help but smile and tuck Bomb even closer. Bomb yawns, barely able to keep his eyes open. "I love you." "I love you too. I want to hear this every night from now on, okay?" "Okay." Bomb yawns again and finally falls asleep, comfortable and safe in Coon's arms.